when it comes down to it, this could be right now more about policy than what we're going to hear on earnings. Now, you and I talked about this exact topic last week, 1 week ago today, and I'm going to give you the same kind of rhetoric and the same position that I talked about last week.
Okay.
I don't think that earnings are going to be a big impact. I could
so you're with Alex
absolutely
on
be
that
wrong.
part.
I'm with Alex on that part. I am with you that
On
the policy part is a big player here. So what I did last week, which is the same thing I'm doing now, is I sold an iron condor looking for Tesla to really just consolidate between basically 390 and 450, which it did. I took that position off. It wasn't a huge winner. It was a nice small winner, but I'm putting on now the same sort of position for earnings today. So I'm selling the 370, 360 put spread on the downside, selling the 435, 445 call spread on the upside. I'm collecting $4.50. My break evens at the end of the day Friday are 365 and a half, 439 and a half. Anywhere in there on Friday, I win. If it moves outside, if we do get, an outlier move, okay, I know what I can lose on this thing. But again, I love the kind of the consolidation and not that a Tesla earnings report is ever just listen and then move on. There's always some excitement with Elon in there, but I really think this one's going to be more or less a non-event.
All right. Nice. Putting the money where the analysis is. So looking for, look, the other thing, too, is that Tesla kind of has been carving out a little bit of a range here. It's a tricky chart in the last, basically since the peak to say it's uptrending or downtrending, because you haven't been making lower lows really.
Exactly.
But you have been making some lower highs, so it kind of seems like you're trying to appreciate both ends of it.
Exactly. And again, I've got 365 to 440 is my range where I make money on this thing at the end of the day on Friday. And as always, I put a trade on that I know my maximum risk. So if I do get that, wider than expected move, I know what my risk is.